Hey everyone, welcome back to English Elevate. Today we will learn all important 40 plus English conjunction with meaning and example in the simplest way ever. So grab your notebook and let's begin. If means agar, if you work hard you will succeed it. And means or says kind and intelligent. Or means yeah, do you want tea or coffee? As means Jesse sings as a bird does. That means key. I know that you are honest. Then means say he is taller than me. When means jab. Call me when you reach home. So means इसलिए he was ill so he didn't go to school. Nor means नहीं. She didn't eat nor this dung. But means लेकिन I like coffee but not tea. Why means क्यों? I don't know why he is sad. Yet means फिर भी. He is poor yet honest. Till means जब तक. That here till I come back. There means जहाँ. This is the place where I was born. While means जबकि. She was cooking while I was studying. Until means जब तक. Don't go until I say yes. Before means पहले. Think before you speak. Since means चूंकि. I have lived here since 2010. Hence means इसलिए. He worked hard. Hence he succeeded. If only cause. If only I had more time. Next. Once means एक बार. Once you try it, you will love it. Whilst जबकि. She sang whilst he played the guitar. Next, because means क्योंकि. I am staying home because I am not well. Next, so that means ताकि. Study hard so that you can pass the exam. Next, and you can call me and or send a message. After, we will go out after lunch. Next, till now means अब तक. Till now everything is fine. Next, as if. He talks as if he knows everything. Next, in case. Take an umbrella in case it rains. Next, Tues. He worked hard. Tues he succeeded. Next, even if. Even if it rains, we will go out. Although he is rich, he lives simply. Next, though she is young, she is very wise. Unless. You can't pass unless you study. Next. Whenever. Call me whenever you need help. Wherever. I will go wherever you go. Next. Whoever did this should apologize. Next. Whichever. You can choose whichever color you like. Next. Whether. I don't know whether he will come or not. Next. However hard you try, don't give up. Try to use them daily in your speaking and writing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow for more English tips.